Although a quality, professional real estate agent will help his client determine creating the most appropriate listing price, it must be remembered and understood the final decision is that of the homeowner selling his home. Since, for most, the financial value of their house is one of his largest personal assets, an essential skill of the agent is creating a level of trust and a personal connection between homeowner and his representative. Doing this makes it most possible to creating trust and a bond where a thorough, comprehensive discussion becomes possible, etc. With that in mind, this article will attempt to briefly consider, examine, review, and discuss 5 key strategic considerations when it comes to determining the most appropriate initial listing price, etc. 1. Competitive market analysis, CMA, the best and only logical, practical, realistic, and well-considered way to determine a suggested price is preparing a thorough competitive market analysis, CMA. This should consider houses with similar features in the same general area/region and measure/evaluate factors such as time on market, the relationship of the initial listing price and selling one, significant advantages and disadvantages, positives and negatives related to specific local area, etc. Professionals should suggest a range based on this process and help suggest to the owner the advantages and disadvantages while answering questions and addressing specific concerns. 2. Strategy/marketing plan. There are a variety of possible strategies, and the finest marketing plan must be based on meaningful teamwork between agent and homeowner. From the onset, a thorough discussion of the possibilities and which marketing plan makes the most sense is a valuable step. 3. Seller's objectives/priorities. Real estate professionals realize they must carefully, effectively, listen and learn his seller/s/client's personal objectives and personal priorities/goals, etc. Pricing must be based on the seller's tolerance, patience, and personal comfort zone, and conform to the realities of the current market conditions. 4. Local market/type and conditions. Know, understand, and determine the existing real estate local market, including the nuances in terms of the conditions and types, including factors based on supply and demand, etc. 5. Time considerations. Whether the seller has the patience, ability, and mind set to wait, as opposed to if there are pressing financial/personal economic factors and considerations, often determine pricing strategy. While someone who is ready, willing, and able to patiently wait can price the house on the higher end of the range, others, who time matters, must price it right from the start. When you are ready to sell your home, carefully interview potential real estate professionals before hiring an individual. Thoroughly discuss many relevant factors and ensure you are on the same page from the onset.